Want to build a routine that fuels your mind, body, and success? Here's a simple but powerful daily schedule that will maximize your energy, focus, and personal growth. Wake up between 5 a.m. and 6:30 a.m. Your first move? Hydrate. A full glass of water kickstarts your system. Next, step outside for natural light exposure, even if it's just a few minutes. Now, fuel up with a balanced breakfast, high in protein and healthy fats to keep your energy steady. Before diving into work, spend 5 to 10 minutes meditating or practicing mindfulness. If time allows, do a short workout. It could be stretching, yoga, or a quick strength session. This is prime time for deep work. Grab some caffeine if you like, then dive into your most important tasks, distraction-free. Take a break after 90 minutes. Step outside, do some light movement, or simply breathe deeply. For lunch, go for lean protein and fiber-rich foods to keep you energized. Spend some time learning, whether it's reading, listening to a podcast, or taking an online course. Later, connect with friends or family. Even a quick conversation can boost happiness and motivation. Engage in a creative activity, writing, music, painting, or anything that inspires you. For dinner, choose a balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs to fuel your recovery. About an hour before bed, disconnect from screens to avoid blue light. Try journaling or reflecting on the day, what went well, what to improve, and tomorrow's goals. If you struggle with sleep, try magnesium or a calming tea. Finally, get to bed between 9 p.m. and 10:30 p.m. to optimize rest and performance. This daily routine may be simple, but the impact, life-changing. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your growth skyrocket.